fast food Spanish feeling. Now, let me see. Peking duck, casserole duck, duck with cherries, Curia duck, a l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having it for lunch.
I know that, but what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip up something, a surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else, and she said, beware the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me?
No.
You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever shutting doors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as in kindergarten kissing one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, can't feed it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you find it. You can toy with your chuck before the crunch. You can play with your food, fly side it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what game would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle on puddles out in the mud, to go back to the shallows. Maybe the tongue goes hot, it's fun too much, we find much fun. I'll go play and just fly, watch water foam in the rain. To see the types of dangers, it's called a game of the game. I'd rather play games that sharpen witty. That's all playing something that you say. You were stuck in one kitty. Oh, I'm playing hide and seek. Do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play.